Good morning, everyone. Today is our speaking test. Bunch of things that I have to make sure that everybody understands. Number one, please sign your name. If you do not sign your name, I will not mark you for this test. Please sign your name in Romaji and make sure that you keep this paper. Keep this paper. Do not fold the paper. Do not change the paper. Do not roll up the paper. Keep the paper flat and straight. Keep it with your group. Now, I want you to remember to speak no Japanese. If you speak any Japanese during the test, unfortunately, as I've told you, as you can see on the paper itself, you're going to get a penalty. Now, we have the schedule. Group number one, we will begin at 10:40. Group number one, I want you to sit here, and I'll be showing you where to sit in just a second. Group number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, okay? That says 10:50. Group number 3 begins at 11:05. Group 4 begins at 11:15. The start time and the end time is written. Before the start time begins, please wait outside the door. Wait quietly. And when you hear me say, next, come in, then you can come in. Do not come in until I call you, okay? Group 6, I'm sorry, it'll be about an hour until I'm through the other classes, but that gives you time to relax, go to the cafeteria, maybe practice a little English. But before this time, before 11:45, please wait at the door. I suggest 1 or 2 minutes before that time. Wait outside and enter until everything else is canceled. Now, I also want to show you what you have here. This is the table as you see it. This is the A seat right here. B seat is over there. C is over there. D is over here. Now, there's one group that will be 5 people, and that will be that seat there. I'll be sitting here, and I'll be watching you to make sure that you get everything done. Now, oops, not that one. That one there. Oh, not that one there either. Okay, that's not ready. Okay, that's not ready. Okay, forget that then. I was going to show you the Moodle, but I'll just do this instead. Don't forget that next week is our Moodle test. Please use this room if you want to use this room. If you want to go home and do it, as long as there isn't another snowstorm next week, you're perfectly okay with doing that. But please remember, the Moodle test, make sure that your headphones are working. Make sure that you begin the test at 10:30 and that it finishes at 12. Don't come late to them. It's not completely on demand. It is on time. It is at 10:30 to 12. You can only take it from 10:30 to 12. If you have any questions about that, you can contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. And I hope that you enjoyed the class. Just got a couple more tests for us to do. So good luck with both of your tests.